Today, we want to learn about rational expressions and multiplication and division of the rational expressions. Let's go through some examples. The first question is 2x squared minus 8x over 3x squared minus 12x. What we have to do will be factoring the numerator and denominator, and then we will simplify by canceling out the same factor in the numerator and denominator. Let's factor the numerator. Eight is 2 times 4, and x can be written as x times x. Here, these two and these two are the common factor, and this x and this x are the common factor. So we can take that out and write as 2x times the remaining one, which is x minus 4. That's the numerator, and the denominator is 3x squared minus 12x. 12 can be written as 3 times 4. Again, x can be written as x times x. So these two x appear in the first and the second term, and 3 are the common factor. So we take out 3x, then 3x open parenthesis. The remaining one is x from the first one, and 4, so minus 4 from the second term. Let's say 2x times x minus 4 for the numerator. For the denominator, that's 3x times x minus 4. Then these are multiplication, just one number. Then we have to cancel those out, and x in the numerator and denominator will cancel each other, and we eventually get 2 over 3. The next problem is w minus 5 over w squared minus 10w plus 5. The numerator is already degree 1 and with the leading coefficient 1, so we cannot factor out. The denominator is w squared minus 10w plus 25. And the leading coefficient is 1, so we have to figure out the number whose multiplication becomes 25, and when we add them up, it must be the number in front of w, which is negative 10. So instead of writing 5 times 5, we have to write negative 5 times negative 5. So the factoring will become w minus 5 times w minus 5. Let's rewrite the fraction. That's w minus 5 over w minus 5 times w minus 5. the numerator can be written as w minus 5 times 1. Here, the w minus 5 in the numerator and denominator will cancel each other, and the numerator will remain with 1, and denominator will be w minus 5. So the final answer will be 1 over w minus 5. 5.2 is about the multiplication and division of rational expressions. When we have number a over b, the meaning of that fraction is a divided by b. That can be also written as a times 1 over b because a is indeed a over 1. When we have two fractions, a over b times c over d, we can multiply the numerators together and denominators together and write it as a over c, a times c over b times c, d, ac over bd. A over b divided by c over d, when that is division, we can convert that into the reciprocal of the second one. So numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. And the final consequence looks like a cross multiplication, AD over BC. Let's go through some examples. 5x minus 35 over 6 times 2x minus 2x over x minus 7. Let's factor the numerator. This is 5 and this is 35, 5 times 7. And in the denominator, 6 can be written as 2 times 3. So this 5 is the common factor. We will take that out. Then that'll be 5 times x minus 7 times 2x over 2 times 3 times open parenthesis x minus 7. And then these two will cancel each other. And this x minus 7 and this x minus 7 will cancel each other. And then we have 5x over 3. Next problem is multiplying x plus 2 over 3x plus 9 and x squared plus 4x plus 3 over x minus 2. We have to decompose the denominator of the first fraction and the numerator in the second fraction before we simplify. 3x plus 9. 9 is 3 times 3, so 3 is the common factor, so we can take that out, then 3x plus 3. And we have x squared plus 4x plus 3. Then 3 is 1 times 3. And when we add them up, we will get 4, which is the same as 4 in front of x. So we can decompose it as x plus 1 times x plus 3. Then let's transfer that here. X plus 2 times another numerator was decomposed to x plus 1 times x plus 3 over 3 times x plus 3 times x minus 2. Now we have to cancel out the same factor. We can remove x plus 3 in the numerator and denominator, and we finally obtained x plus 2 times x plus 1 over 3 times x minus 2. Last problem is about dividing the fraction. When we consider 42x minus 49 over 4x minus 24 divided by 6x minus 7 over 2x minus 12, it is this form a over b divided by c over d. That can be written as ad over bc because that is indeed a over b times d over c. So multiply the reciprocal of the second one. Let's apply that principle. Then that can be written as 42x minus 49 over 4x minus 24 times, flip it, 2x minus 12 over 6x minus 7. Here the numerator 42 is 6 times 7. 49 is 7 times 7. So 7 is the common denominator, a common factor. So the numerator can be written as 7 times 6x minus 7 over denominator, the common factor is 4 because 24 is 4 times 6. We will take out 4, then we have x minus 6 times 2 times x minus 6 over 6 minus 7, 6x minus 7. We eliminate the same factor in the numerator and denominator, and then we get 7 times 2 over 4, and we know that 4 is 2 times 2. So we rewrite that as 7 times 2 over 2 over 2, and these two will cancel each other, and then we have 7 over 2.